Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, February 7th, 2025, we're tackling the Tesla stock, looking at how current events are playing out on the charts. Recent news reveals significant insider selling, with Tesla's CFO, chairwoman, and Elon Musk's brother offloading tens of millions of dollars worth of Tesla stock. This could indicate bearish sentiment among those closest to the company. However, such activities do not always accurately reflect market sentiment. Let's transition to the daily chart to see how this news is reflected in the price action. We observe a recent price drop, potentially correlating with the reported insider selling. Notice the significant volume associated with this price decrease, suggesting strong selling pressure. The candle shows a clear bearish engulfing pattern. However, we need to consider longer time frames for context. Let's view the 1-hour chart. The hourly chart displays more short-term price fluctuations that can be caused by several reasons, but the overall downward trend is less evident than on the daily chart. Some support levels are emerging around the $375 to $380 range. However, more conclusive support needs to be identified for this to become a conclusive support level. To further investigate this price movement, let's switch to a 15-minute time frame to study the price activity within the past few hours. Short-term patterns suggest that there could be potential short-term bullish reversals. There are some short-term bullish signs and patterns forming here, such as pin bars and hammers. However, for this to be a conclusive reversal, we need to see a higher high and higher low. Also, more buying volume is needed. It's crucial to note that this is just a snapshot of the current market conditions. The overall market sentiment must also be considered. A major market shift could impact Tesla in either way. Looking at the daily chart again, we can see some key support levels around $370 to $375. A break below this could signal further downside, and resistance lies around $385 to $390. Let's zoom in on the past week's daily candle data to identify potential short-term trends. Here, we can see how Tesla had a recent upward trend that has reversed in the past few days. The recent sell-off could be caused by an increase in short positions and the news reported earlier. However, this could be a short-term fluctuation. Switching back to the 1-hour chart, we can see that the recent price activity is occurring within the support level of $375 to $380. The probability of a short-term bullish reversal is not high, but not impossible. A break above $385 to $390 on the daily chart would be a significant signal of potential short-term bullish reversal. If it breaks down through $370 to $375 on the daily chart, that would be a major support break and could lead to more downside. In summary, while the recent news and the daily chart display bearish signs, the short-term charts suggest there's a possibility of a bullish reversal. However, this is not likely to happen without more volume. However, more data is needed to have a clearer picture. Keep an eye on the key support and resistance levels, volume, and overall market sentiment for a clearer indication of whether a trend reversal is imminent.